try to use things that would relate to kids as a way to play up this, as a way to play up the juxtaposition of how we associate things in terms of gender and people, like, you know, the cupcake we would probably associate with, you know, as being a kind of feminine element, but it's sitting beside a masculine figure, you know. So the work and all of its elements in many ways, you know, we're seeing the male layer, but then it's layered with all of these feminine elements. And traditionally, masculinity is the measure for femininity. And with the work, I'm attempting to reverse that measure. So I'm using the feminine to measure the masculine. So all of these elements in many ways, the, you know, the flowers, the embellishments, the bling in many ways at one point was also seen as being feminine. I mean, bling is associated with what we call a pretty aesthetic, yeah? And so pretty is not a word, it's not a masculine word, that is a feminine word. And so to see that kind of juxtapositioning is also my extending the conversation between the measuring of the masculine, but using the feminine to measure.